Hi guys, in this video we talk about Samsung Galaxy M56. It's launched on April 2025. The dimensions of Samsung Galaxy M56. It's come with 6.38 height, width 3.04 inch, thickness 7.2 mm. The weight is 180 grams. The build, front and back glass and plastic frame. The display of Samsung Galaxy M56 5G. It comes with Super AMOLED Plus screen type. The screen size is 6.74 inches with 89.0% screen to body ratio. The resolution is 1080p with 2400 pixels and the PPH density is 382. The refresh rate of M56 5G. It comes with 120Hz refresh rate and 1000 nits peak of brightness. The screen protection. It comes with Corning Gorilla Glass Victus Plus. The platform. It comes with Android 15 operating system. The chipset is Exynos 4080 4nm. The CPU is octa-core 4+4 Cortex-A78. The GPU is Exynos 530. The memory of Samsung Galaxy M56 5G. It comes with 8 GB of RAM and 128 to 56 GB of ROM. Camera setup of Samsung Galaxy M56 5G. It comes with triple camera setup. The main sensor is 50 megapixel wide, 8 megapixel ultra wide and 2 megapixel micro. The front camera is 12 megapixel and it records 4K 30fps videos. The battery backup of M56 5G. It comes with 5000 mAh battery with 45 watt fast wired charging. It could not support wireless and reverse charging. The commons and the features. It comes with 5.6, Bluetooth 5.3, GPS, stereo speaker, USB Type-C, fingerprint under display, NFC, UFS 3.1 and IP64 dust and water resistant. Price of Samsung Galaxy M56 5G. It comes with $350.